Kisanput, Gaya. PhD, Jat Land, Rohtak, in history. Election 2025. 10th Judge District of Bihar, India. Read Hazaribagh Jail Diary of Jayaprakash Narayan, 1942. Jayaprakash Narayan was not a Bihari. He was from Eastern UP. He studied in Patna College. Married to a good family of Bihar. Prabhaji.
Prabhavati.
And Prabhaji had a training, good political training at Sabarmati Ashram under Kasturba Gandhi's guidance. Kasturba Gandhi was wife of Mahatma Gandhi. And dynamic, dashing Jayaprakash Narayan. In 1947, and a tragedy occurred. Dashing, dynamic, bold Prabhaji was leading a procession at Ranchi against Abdul Ghaffur government of Bihar, and Bihar police blew a fatal lathi charge on Prabhaji, and she fell to that fatal blow of the lathi charge. But Jayaprakash Narayan became very powerful in 1927 and he was appointed OSI Prime Minister of India, overlooking powerful Haldar of UP, Western UP and Eastern UP. Haldar, not to accept anyone. So, read Jail Diary of Jayaprakash Narayan, Hazaribagh Jail Diary of 1942, and Aryaput, Kisanput, Devilal, Chief Minister of Haryana, MP from Rohtak. So many, he was so powerful that he had won so many seats in India, from Rajasthan, from Haryana, and Gaur, Aryaput, Kisanput, but not literate. He was not educated, he was rich, he was a powerful chief minister. And of Rohtak, like Jayaprakash Narayan, he was a powerful man of 90s. He appointed Raja of Mandi Prime Minister of India. And Prime Minister of India, Raja of Mandi, appointed him Deputy CM of India. And being a farmer family, farmer man, they will all had a bad tongue. So he started having bad tongue against the Prime Minister of the time, DPC. So Prime Minister dismissed him and put him on the street to march. And so he was down the street and started marching on Kisan Ghat. And toppled again him and met the real man, Chandrasekhar, Prime Minister of India. So, and the romance and money. So first, Patna Panchmark coin of Ashoka, great golden Patna. And first Prime of India, Jayaprakash Narayan, Roji Prime Minister, had a romance, had a platonic love, rose love, later love, with the last first lady of Crown, Lady Edwina. And that was the platonic love. Later, in the still letter is there, you can read it in archives. And our brilliant, dashing Aryaput Kisanput Devilal had also platonic love with the NRI, Palima Boards, when he was the Prime Minister of India. And so this is natural. The photograph is good. And so money, NRI, and even today Indians always go for NRI because there is dollar. Dollar is stronger than our money, our currency, note. So dear friends, start movement, bring down Trump's dollar down to the rank, down to Indian rupees. Indian currency will go up in the international market more stronger than Trump dollar.
Okay.
As Punchmark coin was very powerful at the time. So make resolve and it is said in this area, Delhi, Haryana, Western UP, पढ़ा लिखा जाट खुदा बराबर. But irony was that Devilalji was a rich man, but he was not educated, he was not part, he had not studied. So he was not a Khuda, but Haldar is PhD from that side of Haryana. So keeping finger crossed to be PM from Patna of India.